In this video, we are going to see what to install to get Clojure running on your computer and how to set up the development ecosystem. So first you need to install Clojure itself. So for that you can go through this article and you need to have brew to install. So this is the thing like brew. So here is okay brew.sh. So this brew can be installed on uh, Mac and what to say, Linux, right? I would recommend Linux, like that's the thing. And once you install the brew, you just need to give this command, right? So that's the thing. So I think both are the same for Mac and Linux. So that's the thing. Otherwise, if you don't want brew, if you want to install using scripts, there is also a way, right? So that's the thing. And you also need to have Java installed. So you might be confused. Like you might be asking, look, just now I'm just coming to programming, and you're just telling me to install all these things. But the thing is, like that's why I just told you to read this Linux journey, not just read, but to become thorough with Linux journey, right? So that like you know what Linux is, you know what operating system is, all those stuff. And it's better to find a local Linux user group and become a member in it so that like you get all the help you need. Like, that's the thing, right? So yeah, that's how it is. And once you install Clojure, let me just launch my iTerm. iTerm is nothing but a terminal for Mac. In your if you're reading Linux journey, you would know what to do in Linux and all those stuff. And if you're using Mac, you can go to this URL like item, just search for it, and this is the thing. So item, and you just download it and install, and you just call item over here, and you'll just get it. So that's how it is. So once you have installed Clojure, what you can do is like you can put something like you put Control L, yeah, like it'll just clear the screen, right? You can just put like CLJ. So this is nothing but Clojure RIPL. RIPL is nothing but read eval print loop. So okay, let me just explain it. So what I do is I'm just writing a simple Clojure operation, right? Don't worry about all the strange syntax, you will get used to it. So I just put what is 1 plus 1. That is in Clojure, you're supposed to put like plus 1, 1, right? So if I just put it, the Clojure reads it, okay, it's plus 1, 1. It evaluates it, it comes to 2, and it prints it, it's 2. So this is what Clojure prints. So before printing, it should have evaluated inside its brain or whatever it is, right? So you call it the processor or whatever it is. And loop, once again, it prompts you to ask something. So maybe we can put like, okay, like multiplication of 8 into 76, and you get it. So this is the thing. And to come out of this, all you just need to do is to press Control D, right? So that's the thing. And this can be done in terminal. So if you're able to do the CLJ, then it means that you have installed Clojure right. So that's the thing. And so yeah. So okay. Now let's look at something called Lengine, right? Lengine, you might not know what it is and all those stuff immediately, but the thing is, it's better to get it installed. So you just go to lengine.org. You will know about it. You will know about it. Okay, so this is the installation instructions. So there is a script for that you need to download. So that's the thing. And place it in your path. Okay, so go to user local bin and just place it over there. So that's the thing. So and then if you run something like lean and all those stuff. Look, it gives all those help and all those stuff, but it also has a ripple, lean ripple. So with which you can do some closure stuff. You will what to say ask like what is the difference between this and CLJ? We will see, right? So you see the port number over here and all those things, right? And ripple and all those things. This will become useful soon, right? And it will make your closure development very, very easier, right? And once again, to exit this lean ripple, all you just need to do is to put Control D. So that's the thing. So this stuff needs to be installed. It's a very, very great tool to create closure projects and all those things. And IDE. So I would insist on, look, VS Code is becoming very, very good, but look, it contains some proprietary parts. It might send some telemetry data to Microsoft. It might spy on you. You don't know. So VS Codium is a, what to say, a very nice what to say uh, editor that is based on VS Code. So you won't find almost any difference using VS Codium and all those things. So install this one, and this is VS Code, but all the evils of Microsoft removed. So that's the thing. So and that's it. Yeah, it has got a Linux thing, right? So that's the thing, and it has even got a Mac thing to install. But yeah, like I would be very happy like if people are using Linux rather than Mac, right? So that's the thing, because Mac is simply a spyware. So that's the thing. And yeah, you get that installed, and I think I've got my VS Code launched. So once you get that installed, you just go over here. So this is all these extensions. I've got some extensions installed. So just type Calva, Calva, and you will get something, and you will get an install button or something like that. Install it, because this is very, very great for Clojure coding, right? So Clojure is not just about the language that makes you write maintainable software and all those stuff. It is also about the ecosystem that surrounds that language, which makes coding really easy. Like even if you're coming from other programming languages, you'll be blown away like how easy it is to code in Clojure. So yeah. So yeah. So these are the things you need to install to get started with Clojure. It might be a big stuff for you if you're just learning computers and all those things, but please do, what to say, please do install these stuff so that like your coding experience becomes very easy. So that's the thing. So and in the next video we'll see what is hosted language, but for now it's bye. See you in next video.